In a hard soil, roots have to force a lot to grow, while in a soft soil mix, the growth is effortless. So in this video, we will see a few ways you can use to turn your clay soil in a soft and loose soil media. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Clay soil is a kind of soil that gets very compact over time. It gets hard after a few waterings. You can simply put your finger in the soil and see how much pressure it takes to penetrate. This would give you a rough estimate how clayish your soil is. Cracks in the soil, a rough texture is also a sign of clay soil. It's also possible your soil is a little clayish. It is not either and or condition. But if it's very hard, you should do something to fix it. There are a few reasons why clay soil is not good for plants, and you shouldn't use it for any plant at all. Clayish soil have tiny particles, and once watered, they become tightly packed and compact. This thing affects the drainage, means the clay soil have a very poor drainage. The water moves very slowly and can invite several fatal problems. Clay soil also limits the root growth. In compact and hard mixture, the roots have to force a lot to penetrate through the soil. So that's also because of clay soil. Clay soil also have a poor aeration, means the air is also unable to pass through the soil. And proper aeration is extremely important for vegetable plants. Clay soil also affects the nutrients intake. It holds the nutrients very tightly, making it so hard for the roots to absorb. So this also results in stunted growth on the plant. Overall, clay soil is a total opposite of an ideal soil media, and you should make it right to enjoy better gardening experience. There are a few reasons why clay soil gets hard and compact over time. Clay soil have very tiny particle size. If you have ever dried and crushed the clay soil, you will know about this thing. They have powdery appearance. This powdery nature of clay soil makes it compact with the time. Lack of organic matter is also a cause of clay soil. Organic matter attracts microbes. These microbes keeps on eating the soil and making holes in it, and this is not possible in the clay soil. Constant watering and drying cycle is also a cause of tight and hard kind of soil media. So do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. There are a few ways we can use to either remove or reduce the clayishness of the soil. So let's know them one by one. The first trick to turn clayish soil into a soft soil mix is to use sand. Sand is most useful in this condition. Mix it properly with the clay soil. Now this sandy soil mix won't get compact and hard. The sand particles will keep it loose and soft. Another way to turn clayish soil into a soft soil mix is to use Cocopeat. It's also added in the description box to buy. Cocopeat also makes the soil soft. Add 1 part of Cocopeat and 1 part of clay soil. Mix it properly and now your soil won't get compact. Another easy way to make the soil soft and well draining is to use gypsum. It's an organic material. 1 to 2 tablespoons of gypsum in a 10-inch spot will be enough. It will prevent the soil from compaction. A detailed video on gypsum uses for plants is added in the description box. You can follow that. Another easy way to turn the clay soil into a soft soil mix is to use compost. Any kind of organic matter will start making the soil soft and well draining. But this will take time. Use the organic matter again and again. Your soil media will become softer and softer with the time. For making compost at home using kitchen waste, you can follow the description box video. Another simple way to turn clay soil into a soft media is for potted plants. Once the soil of a potted plant gets compact and hard, you can dig the upper layer of soil. It will open up the soil for more water and aeration, etc. But this is the temporary solution. You have to keep digging every time the soil gets compact. So it's all about how to turn clay soil into a soft soil media. To make a good potting mix at home, follow this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.